Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to activate Bizum inside the Imagine Bank app, step by step for 2025. If you're using Imagine and want to send or receive money instantly with just a phone number, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Imagine app. Launch the Imagine Bank app on your phone and log in with your username and password or fingerprint. Step 2. Tap on the Bizum option. From the home screen or menu, look for the section labeled Bizum under Payments or Transfers. Step 3. Register your mobile number. The app will prompt you to register your mobile number. Enter your number. This will be used for sending and receiving money via Bizum. Step 4. Accept the terms and conditions. Carefully read and accept the terms and privacy agreement. Tap Continue once done. Step 5. Confirm with a verification code. You'll receive a code via SMS. Enter it into the app to verify your number. Step 6. Done. Your Bizum account is now active in Imagine Bank. You can send and receive payments instantly using just a phone number. Tip: remember, you can only link your phone number to one bank for Bizum at a time. If it's already linked elsewhere, you'll need to deactivate it in that app before using it with Imagine. And that's it. Bizum is now ready to use inside your Imagine Bank app. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.